A working lamp is one of the most essential tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need clear, reliable illumination in challenging environments. Whether you're working late into the night, inside a dimly lit workshop, or on a construction site where natural light is limited, this tool ensures that every detail is visible. Unlike ordinary lamps, a working lamp is built for toughness and versatility, often featuring durable housings that resist dust, impact, and moisture. Many models come with powerful LED technology that provides bright, energy-efficient light while consuming less power and lasting much longer than traditional bulbs. Adjustable brightness settings, swivel heads, and portable designs make it easy to direct light exactly where it's needed, giving users superior control and flexibility in different working conditions. Beyond just providing light, a working lamp enhances both safety and productivity in any workspace. Clear visibility reduces the risk of accidents, helps identify fine details in repair work, and allows precision in tasks that demand accuracy. Portable designs with rechargeable batteries or corded options offer versatility across different job sites, ensuring that the lamp can be used in workshops, garages, outdoor repairs, or industrial environments without compromise. Some lamps are designed with magnetic bases, hooks, or tripods for hands-free operation, making them even more practical for extended projects. With its combination of rugged construction, long-lasting illumination, and intelligent features, the working lamp has become an indispensable companion for anyone who values efficiency, safety, and reliability on the job.